How are assisted living facilities funded? If you're wondering how people raise the capital or funds to start an assisted living facility or home, that's one question. But if you're asking how people pay for the care that they need as they age, that's another. So I'll address both here. People raise capital to start or create their own assisted living facility or home by using loans like an SBA, small business loan, a 7A loan typically, or maybe a traditional bank loan. They work with private investors or do JV partnerships, and some people use grants like a HUD grant or a local or state program for low-end care homes. Others use methods like crowdfunding. The best method is any method that is not using your own money. Using your own money is lazy, and if you choose to use your own money, you may be tapping into your 401k, self-directed IRA, or using a home equity HELOC loan, or maybe even selling other properties that you own and using that capital to pay for your needs to start this business. Now, if you're asking how do assisted livings make money or how do people pay for their care, where is the income coming in? People pay for their care by using government funding programs like Medicaid or Medicare. They use long-term care insurance or VA benefits like aid and attendance, but majority pay out of pocket, private pay. And it can cost an average of $5,500 per month per resident in our country right now today. So it can get pricey considering the average stay is 3.5 years. Profit margins in the assisted living industry can be healthy, especially for well-managed facilities. Depending on the size and location, a typical assisted living facility may have an operating margin of 10 to 20%. That's what's falling to the bottom line for the owner-operator. The most profitable facilities tend to be those that are able to charge higher rates for premium services or specialized care that they can offer. Check out this other video where I share the 5 steps to getting started in residential assisted living. It's here on YouTube and you're gonna love it. The U.S. assisted living industry is estimated to be worth about $60 billion annually. And by 2027, the market size could exceed $100 billion. That is right around the corner. The cost of care has gone up 87% over the last 20 years. And with the coming silver tsunami of seniors, it's only going to increase. Get ready to ride the wave because it's about to hit the shore. So no matter which side of the coin you fall on, I hope this video was educational for you. I create more just like it, always here on our channel. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.